Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's Steve, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the DJI OM 5 stabilizer, which I'm going to be using on my iPhone 13 Pro. So, I just recently took some video of a parade over at Disneyland last week, and while the video looked pretty good, you could definitely see my hand shaking a little bit. So I said, listen, I just got to splurge on a stabilizer, aka a gimbal, and fix that problem. This one on Amazon that I'll link below, it was about $130, I think, and I got it next day with Amazon Prime, so it wasn't too expensive. I did a little reading on this one. It actually stabilizes on its own. Some of the more expensive ones for cameras, you have to kind of set it every time you use the camera, like 3-point axis and stuff. This one, once you have your cell phone connected to it and you turn it on, apparently it, stabilizes it automatically. So let's get to opening. We have the box. It says it comes with the stabilizer, a storage pouch, the extra tripod, a wrist strap, the power cable, the magnetic phone clamp, and a manual. So let's see. Let's get right into it. Okay, put that here, and let's see what we got. All right, so here I'm sure is going to be the instructions and all of that. Yes, and there is the beautiful stabilizer. Let's get that right in the middle. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see it over here. Beautiful. I like it. All right. Really compact and portable. This is actually really, really nice. Perfect to take with you anywhere. Just put that here for now. Open this up. And what else do we have in here? We have the tripod. All right. This looks like the magnetic strip piece to connect it to your cell phone. Right there. The power cable, as usual. Here's the little wrist strap. Nice, nice, nice. And then we have a little box here. What is in here? We have this little piece. It says riser pad for small phone. Oh, so if you have a iPhone 7, 8, SE2 or Samsung Galaxy S8, etc., you can use this right here. So see if I could get that on there. If you could see it, maybe not. But that's pretty cool if you have a smaller phone. And this is the pouch. Beautiful. All right. So what I'm going to do is turn it on. I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to see how true they are when they say it will, stabilize it automatically. We don't have to fiddle with it. So let me just get my phone. All right. I have my iPhone 13 Pro right here. And I have the clip right here. So I kind of like how it's not a straight kind of. I don't know if you could see it. It's bent in a little bit. I think that means it'll hook on and avoid the volume rockers, because sometimes when I use some of my other tripods, I have to kind of off-center it because they'll touch the rockers and it doesn't work correctly. So for this, we'll put it dead in the middle, like that. And I was correct. It does not touch the volume rocker. I don't know if you could see it. Sorry if you can't. But that's pretty dope that they really thought about that. So, get that on. Looks good, I think. Okay. Now we want to, I believe, just pop this open somehow. I don't want to, oh, okay. Like that. All right. This is where the magnet goes, right there. And let's see what happens. Let's put this on. Hopefully I get this in camera. Check it out. All right, you guys can see. All right. So we put this right in there. All right, it's not on, just wobbly wobbly. Oh, this is backwards. All right, got it in there. Perfect. Let's turn it on. Oh, that's pretty damn near perfect. So it's a little bit off center, but you just have to adjust it until it's perfect. So I'm not going to do that now, but I will adjust it before I use it, obviously. And then how do you get it? Cool. So yeah, as you can see, you might be able to see it's might be a little bit off center that way, but all I got to do is adjust the phone in there and everything will be fine. And there you have it. This was my unboxing of the DJI OM5 smartphone stabilizer. As you see, again, I'm using it for my iPhone 13 Pro. It's not the Pro Max, it's just the regular iPhone 13 Pro, but I believe you can use it for the bigger phones. And like I said, it comes with a little insert if you have one of the smaller phones, and it looks like it's going to work perfect. So once I use it outdoors and I take some video, I'll probably post some test footage here, and if I do like a real video, I'll post that as well. So let me know what you thought. Do you own the DJI OM5 stabilizer? Do you own any DJI products? Let me know in the comments below. Have you had success with them? Do they last a while? Have they broken down on you? Just let me know what you think, and let me know your experiences with any of these. And if you use a different image stabilizer, let me know which one you use. So let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, guys.